School is a place where students go to learn. It's a big building with many classrooms where teachers teach different subjects. Some subjects include math, science, English, and history. When you go to school, you carry a backpack with your books, pencils, and notebooks. You also have a lunchbox with your food and drinks for lunchtime. In school, there are many students. Some students are your classmates, and you can make friends with them. You can play games together during recess and talk about your favorite things. Teachers are very important in school. They help you learn new things and answer your questions. You should listen carefully to your teachers and do your homework every day. In the classroom, there are desks and chairs for students to sit on. There's a blackboard or whiteboard where the teacher writes lessons. Sometimes there are computers for students to use. During the day, there are different classes. In math class, you learn about numbers and how to add and subtract them. In science class, you learn about plants, animals, and the earth. In English class, you read books and learn new words. In history class, you learn about the past and famous people. At lunchtime, you can eat your lunch in the cafeteria or outside if the weather is nice. You can talk to your friends and play games during lunch break. After school, you can join clubs or sports teams. You can play soccer, basketball, or other sports with your classmates. You can also do art, music, or dance in clubs. School is a fun place to learn and make friends. It's important to go to school every day and do your best in your classes. You can ask your teachers for help if you don't understand something. Have fun learning in school.